After hosting its Showtime Live on Tuesday, Kim Chiu went straight to a hotel in Quezon City to grace the launch of her new endorsement, Belize, a finance app. The Kapamilya actress wore a blue mini dress with an expensive watch, ensuring all eyes were on her. During the grand entrance, she performed Dua Lipa with her backup dancers. Present the event were the brand's executives giving finance advice. Accompanying Chu was her sister Lakam, who handles her finances and deals. Kim Chu endorses everything a blessings. Okay ang mga nangyayari. Dumarating ang blessings na hindi inaasahan. Kim Chu said, "You have to enjoy the now, the present." Is she open to finding new love? Kim Chu answered, "Na, enjoy ko po yung tinatamasa ko ngayon." The Philippine actress recent went to Sorsogon and Agusan del Sur with Paolo Abilino to thank their devoted fans. Nag-show kami sa Sorsogon at Agusan ni Paolo. Masaya kami at napatalon kami sa dami palang nanonood ng linlang, Kim Chu said. Ang dami naming ginawa lately na magkasama. Sobra kaming happy sa mga tinatanggap namin lahat. Kim Chu's father added that his child has amassed a significant social media following. They even come up with new content that they admitted has been a challenge for him and his wife since they are have full-time jobs. The hardest thing as she gets more notoriety is all the contracts that are being thrown at her, said Eric. The second thing is managing the time because we still have to survive. Samantala, malaki ang paniniwalang posibleng masungkit ni Kim Chu ang inaasam na International Award na Outstanding Asian Star mula sa Drama Awards. Ginagampang ina ito ng kanyang mga fans para ikampanya ang kanilang idol sa social media. Umabot na sa punto na ang mga fani ni Kim ay nagbukas ng sarili nilang account. Ginamit nila ito panghihikayat na iboto online ang Chineta Princess. Nitong June lang sumulpot sa Twitter ang account na kung titingnan ay isa itong public relations, company o agency, pero ang laman ay puro Kim at ang team pop nila ni Paolo Abilino. Iilan lang ang ibang personalities ang pinupost ng account pero karamihan ay si Kim Chu. Pag pinagsama ang paglambing ni Kim sa kanyang mga pani na iboto siya at ang paghihikayat naman ng nasabing identity account, malaki ang tsansang makuha ng actress ang nabangkit na award.